So this is the exact SOP which we follow in a company when it comes to scraping local business leads. I'm giving this away completely for free because it's pretty powerful, and I know if my free stuff is going to be powerful, then obviously you all will trust me more, and this is just an act of goodwill. This works. I want you to put your faith into this because if you don't believe this works, it won't work. We have booked more than 8 to 10 calls a day in literally 15 minutes of using this. This is hands down the most powerful method of scraping you're ever gonna find on the internet, at least in my knowledge. What a lot of people do is they just use some extensions like these for scraping Google Maps, and yeah, they're like fine. You're gonna get their website, their number, maybe their socials as well sometimes, but you're not gonna get the details which will allow you to personalize your campaigns at a scale where the person cannot even imagine that a machine sent it. The person cannot imagine you send that email using technology and automation because it's ultra personalized. So, if you're ready for this, then just buckle the fuck up because we're gonna get started, and it's extremely simple. Step by step, I'm gonna do everything from scratch so that you can follow along. Anyways, the SOP will guide you through the process of scraping local business leads efficiently using Apify and Google Maps. This SOP is only going to cover the part of getting the leads, how you can reach out to them, how you can use SalesGen to make money, to provide services to them and get paid big bucks. That's going to be covered in another SOP, in another video. But this is how you scrape the highest quality leads with as much data as possible in order to personalize the email at scale, in order to personalize your outreach so that the people cannot tell a difference between you manually typing all the stuff out and a machine sending it for you from the click of a button. Anyways, the first step is obviously to access Apify. Apify is like a tool I found from the depths of Twitter. Like all of these software developer nerds, all of these people, they were speaking about it. And I thought it's going to be this extremely complex thing, but it's a literal gold mine. It's the hands down the best web scraping tool ever in the world. I'm not sponsored by them. I just starting using it a couple of months ago, and this is hands down my favorite tool. So this, you just come over here and click on this link, and for full transparency, this is a referral link and you don't have to pay anything extra. I just get like 20 to 30% commissions in case you pay them anything. You can use it for free if you sign up using my link. You get like a free trial, something like that, and you can just do it with another Google account if you do not want to pay them anything. Totally cool. I don't make money when you just use the free trial, so yeah, it's like a win-win situation. Anyways, when you come over here, you have to click on get started. Now you have the option. The best thing is obviously to just sign up with your Gmail account. That's the easiest and the fastest way. My account ka email and password is already saved, so I'm just gonna click on this. You can just normally enter your password and email and log in using Google. I'm doing this on an incognito window because I'm already logged in my browser in this, and I wanted to do this from scratch. Now you've seen this. This is where you're gonna end up. Now you're successfully logged in. You've successfully created an account on Apify. Now you have to decide what's the best way for you to contact these leads. I'll give you a very simple example. For example, India is the biggest user of WhatsApp. WhatsApp, everyone has heard of it if you're in India. And the best way, at least in my experience, to contact local businesses in India is using WhatsApp. But let's say there's a country, let's say Hungary. No one uses WhatsApp in Hungary. A list of countries which use WhatsApp a lot: India, USA, and UK. Apart from this, yes, people do use WhatsApp, but the highest number of users of WhatsApp are in India, UK, and USA. So you have to like figure out where exactly are the people you're trying to target, like what exactly do they use? I'll give you a simple example again. Let's say your niche is accountants and you're targeting the head of accounting firms. The accounting firm is not going to put out the phone number of the owner on their Google profile. It's just not going to happen. So in that case, it is much wiser to go for the email addresses. You just have to think, use your brain. The person you're trying to contact, are they more likely to click on a WhatsApp or a SMS or an email? In my case, I'm like kind of like that type of person who's like, I'll target them and I'll hit them with all the shots I have, like jab, cross, hook, uppercut, everything. So I target them everywhere. Like I send out emails as well, I send out WhatsApp messages as well, I send out SMS messages as well. Because why not? Like more the better. So you can do both. But if you're going to do just one, figure out, are they much more likely to respond to your WhatsApp messages or your SMS messages or an email? And based on that, click on this link. This is like gonna take you to the place you need to go to. So for WhatsApp messages, I just click over here and I come to this place. Let's say I want to target doctors in, let's say, New Delhi. Like it's a simple thing. I'll just go to the next step. Like I'll just close this. Like the next step is obviously open Google Maps, www.google.com/maps. You just open it and you have to search like your niche in location. Like even if you don't have a fixed niche, you have to search like something. So even if you're targeting like multiple types of local businesses, go with just one type of a business in one location and do that for the entire world. Like let's say you start with doctors in New Delhi, then you go to dentists in New Delhi, then you go to gyms in New Delhi, and you just do it till the time you run out of niches or you run out of places or people. And like if you've run out of all these people, if you've contacted the entire world, like you'll be a millionaire. So then you don't even have to worry about these things. You can just run ads. Anyways, you come to Google Maps and I'm just going to search like doctors in Delhi. Maybe I need to get more specific. Yeah. Some results are actually showing up. I think, yeah. In New Delhi, I'll just search New Delhi. So now you see some results, and what you need to do is copy this exact address. This thing, just click on it and copy it. You don't have to make any changes. You don't have to do anything. Just simply come here and click on this and copy it. Once you're done, like you clicked on this link, like you clicked over here and you open this. Now you come over here and it's very simple. You just remove all of these things. Like you can play around with all these settings, everything, but I'll give you the easiest way so that you make zero errors, because the more you use your brain, the higher the chances of you messing up. So I wanted to make it like as foolproof as possible. So let's say I'm just coming to this setting, use a Google Maps URL instead of search terms. You just come here, you click on this plus button, add button, you come here and you paste the exact link which you copied from Google Maps. So now all the data which is available over here, everything is going to be scraped from it, and your failure chances is literally zero because the software is doing the work for you. You just come over here and now boom, you can click on save and start. As simple as that. It is going to charge you like $6 for 1,000 results, but you get like $5 for free with every account on every month. So basically like you can create unlimited accounts, and 1,000 leads is a lot. What you can do is reach out to 1,000 leads, sign maybe 10 clients. Even if you have a terrible conversion rate, just sign 10 clients. Even if you sign them for like $100, that's like $1,000, and then you have money to invest. So make money for free and then invest the money you make. I'm just gonna about it like 260 results already ready, 260 leads in front of you. I just stopped it. You can do it for like thousands of leads and boom, 260 leads are ready. And it's a cheat code, man. Like 260 leads, you can just press one button and send ultra personalized messages to all these people. All these people. And you can just let it run. I'm just using it as a example. So I'm not gonna go and use it a lot. But you can just extract 1,000 leads. You can reach out to like 100 to 200 of them every single day using WhatsApp and email. You can start from scratch without investing any money. You can get your first clients and then invest into the software. Like, perfectly fine. You don't have to spend money on this thing. Now you simply come over here. You let it run, by the way. I stopped because I did not want a lot of leads because this is not my niche. But you just let it run and it will create like around 300 to 1,000, 1,500 results. And once it's done, it is going to automatically stop. When you see this green button, like you can just go on a walk, chill out for 5 minutes when it's working, and you just click on this button like export to 85 results and you stop. Now you simply come over here, you click on CSV and you click on this download button. Once again, just showing you, click on this export button, come and click on CSV and ensure like all fields are selected, and boom, just click on download. And yeah, just give it a name. I'm gonna name it Doctors Delhi. And now you've successfully extracted the leads. Now, let's say I wanted to target, who do I want to target? Let's say I wanted to target, what's a good example? Let's say I wanted to target dentists in, let's say Manchester. Let's say London actually. Let's say I wanted to target these people. Now I know that in London, people don't use WhatsApp as much as in India. Still, compared to the rest of the world, it's much higher, but not as much as people do in India. So this is for the email part. This is for the WhatsApp thing or the SMS if you want to use SMS marketing. For example, in the case of India. Now I want to scrape the emails primarily. I'm going to click here. This is once again included in Apify. And I'm going to come over here. And once again, it's like pay per use, but you get like free usage every single month. So I remove everything. And I just come here and I paste my Google Map URL. And I click on add. Sorry, one is already added. And just click on start. And boom. Now it's extracting all the data. And you just wait, chill out for a couple of minutes or a seconds. And just let it do the work. Yeah, this takes some time sometimes. So yeah, it has started now. It can keep on going and going and going. It's working. As you can see, 28 seconds, 29 seconds, more results will keep on coming in, 2 results, and it is just keep on going to scraping. And you can use just one of them as well. For example, if emails are not found, it is going to add the phone number, so you can do WhatsApp and SMS marketing as well. What it does is, I'll just open this up in Google Sheets. Another alternative, if you want completely free of cost, you don't want to do anything, is just like this was not a part of the plan, but let's say I just do the same thing. Let's say dentist in New York. Will this work? Because I'm in incognito window. What you do is you simply search your niche, like whatever your niche is, and you can use this extension. I'm going to show you, like, I leave a guide below in this document or after this document, like another video on how you can download this extraction, like this extraction, whatever you call this. What do you call? Extension, sorry. Extraction extension. And what you have to basically do is just scroll down to the bottom of the list. Just scroll till you reach the bottom. This is optional, by the way. Apify is basically like freemium. You can start for free, make money, or create a new account and use it for free. But it's actually paid. So in case you want like 100% free of cost, You scroll down to the bottom of the list and you come to the extensions, and there's this extension. You simply come, open it up, and this is not mine. This is like Mike from Buy a Coffee. I don't remember who that guy is, but this is the one I use, and this is not available on the Chrome Web Store. So if you want a link after this video, you're gonna find a link on how to download this video, maybe in the description below. And you simply come, you click on this button, scrape Google Map leads, and boom, you can just simply like see all the data over here, and yeah, download as a CSV. Is that the same thing? Did it download? Yeah, download it. Yeah. So this was something else, like you can do that as well. I'm just going to stop this, like, because it's taken time. You see, like, it has gotten to 12 results. If you give it like 10x the more time it took me right now, it's going to go to like 120 results, 1200 results. It just keeps on working. And once again, I'm going to just search like, actually, I'm just going to let it run. Like, the export process is exactly the same now. I've decided, like, if I started scraping, I'll just collect all the leads and I'll just use it for my own business. So I'm going to reach out to these businesses. I've already like reached out to them. So if you try to copy the same exact niche and this business, it won't work out, because my reach is obviously going to be better. My services are going to be better. So please don't try to like copycat it or whatever. And once you're done with all of these things, you simply just, yeah, like I've shown all these steps. I forgot to go over the document. You just open Google Sheets and open it up. I think I won't be logged in Google over here. Maybe. No, actually I am logged in. You come over here, like docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and you click on this blank spreadsheet. You click on file, you click on open, and you click on upload. You go to browse. You just open the CSV file. For example, I'll open the doctor's CSV lead list. And all these fields, like, it's kind of useless. I'll show you the main important fields which actually have the information you can use. For example, address, it's kind of important. This category is not important. Categories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not very important. Delhi city is maybe important depending on you. This is not very important. This is not important. This is not important. You can see this. Like, let's say simple example. You can go to ChatGPT. I'm not an Excel expert and all my Excel formulas are just created from ChatGPT. What you can do is, I'll give you some use cases so that you can be kind of creative. I don't know if ChatGPT is logged in. I'll just open a new tab. I'll go to ChatGPT and just giving you some examples what you can do, some ideas what you can do with the data. What column is this? In column BC, in column BC, you can see that it says if a business is advertising or not. Give me a formula to delete the list of businesses which are advertising so that I can reach out to businesses which aren't and offer my paid ad services. Like, you can do that. You can see, okay, out of these thousands of businesses, like 500 of these are not advertising. You can reach out to them. You can be like, your competitor down that street is stealing your customers because he's advertising and you're not. And yeah, you can just reach out to him. You just attach the screenshot and boom, you have this formula. You can paste it, like play around with ChatGPT. I don't need to give you the exact formulas, just giving examples. These columns are not very important. Neighborhood is definitely important. Like, what I do is I tell them, your competitors in this So I just create a tag out of this in SalesGen, and I can include it in the cold emails I send, and they think, bro, like, how does he know I serve this neighborhood? And he thinks I live over there, so he responds to me, and now he becomes my customer. So you can do a lot of cool stuff. I use neighborhood a lot. Opening hours don't really matter a lot. Some example, like, for example, you can be like, these are your opening hours, right? Now, let's say someone calls you when your clinic is closed and you cannot answer his call. Now he's gonna go to your competitor and you can sell like a service. For example, in SalesGen we have a service called Miss Call Text Back, which is basically like, if a local business misses a call, then he can just like whenever someone calls the business and the call is missed, a message or a SMS goes out to the person saying that, hello, this is me from XYZ business, how can we help you? So you can be like that. And yeah, you have the phone numbers which you can literally download in a CSV and send like bulk messages using WhatsApp. And I will give you the links of using WhatsApp, everything. Like, I'll create tutorials for the same. And this is also very cool. Like, what is the exact rank of these businesses? For example, what I use in my cold emails is, like, it's sad to say, for example, I'm reaching out to a person. Just search you up on Google, Jake, let's say it's a salon in Mumbai. I'm like, just searched up salons in Mumbai, and it's so sad that you're currently ranked 146th instead of number 1, because that's what you deserve. You see how cheeky we are? And you can just include this rank thing into the email, because now they see, okay, like, this is my search ranking. You can see that, let's say I'm reaching out to someone and I'm like, just found you on Google and loved what people were saying in like the 310 reviews they left for you. Now the person thinks, bro, he actually checked my profile out. And yeah, that's the freaking power, man. Street is not very important. You can use it. This is the name of the business. For example, I use it a lot in the subject lines, because this will not give you the first name of the person. For example, these are doctors, so obviously the first names are there. But let's say you're targeting salons and the person is like X Factor Salon. So I write in the email like, important question related to X Factor Salon. Like, I just put this tag of title and it changes like X Factor Salon, let's say Lakme hair salon, whatever. And it changes automatically. And yeah, like, that's the thing. For example, if you're selling like website services, you're like, I checked out your website at blah blah blah. You can insert this directly into cold emails and cold SMS, WhatsApp messages you're sending out. You can be like, yeah, I just checked you guys out over here. You're doing a fantastic job. Like, I opened this website. Let's say you're selling SEO services. I checked the SEO score of your website, insert this tag in SalesGen, and like, yeah, you like, that person is like, oh my god, he clearly knows what he's speaking about. He's seeing my website over here. And that's the part of it. Like, yeah, that's literally how you can use it. And you can be like, don't you think so if you optimized it, you're gonna rank like 5 times higher, and that would lead to like 5 times more customers. The average customer is worth like $300 to you just for the consultation. I'm gonna make you $1,500 and you just pay me like 500, and boom, there is your money. That is how you use it. You just simply save it. If you want to download this CSV to import into SalesGen, and you can just simply do it. You can go over here, like, go to here, click on download, and yeah, just click on a CSV. You can also export it like as a PDF, but I don't know why anyone would want a PDF. So just go over here and download it as a CSV, and that's how you extract local business leads. And in the next videos, I'm gonna upload all of them. I'm just gonna show you like how exactly you can use these leads to close deals and sign clients. That's all I have for this video. If you have any questions, remember, just go to the SalesGen community. It's completely free to join. I might post this on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, this is completely like free to join. So you simply come over here and you go to problems and solutions, and boom, you just type it out like, this is the problem, this is what I'm facing. The best thing you can do is either you can attach an image screenshot of the issue, or you can record a Loom video like this and attach the link of the Loom video. That's it. Have a beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Take care.